Ready, Carl? Okay.
Do it again. Yay! And look, there's Soren.
He's not wearing any pants.
He's not wearing any pants. Hey Soren, can you say hi to the camera? Nope. Oh man.
Stairs. Stairs.
You want me to draw stairs?
Stairs.